Now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, the eclipse coming up on Monday. It's 1:48 to 4:23. That's the time from the tiniest sliver to the last of the very end sliver of the moon's shadow passing over the Earth. And I'll tell you, no matter where you go, it's still going to be a great show. I mean, whether you're at 99% or 96, I know a lot of people say go to totality, go to totality. Indeed, totality is pretty amazing, but it's still going to be a pretty good show in Attica and Lafayette and Flora and Logansport and Pine Village and even up to the north towards Winnemac. And in the area of totality, down here in our southeast, which I've got it mapped out here, the duration of totality is highly variable because right on the edge, like at Frankfort, Kokomo, up around Converse, also just north of Crawfordsville, just north of Darlington, right around Colfax, it's only going to be about 15 seconds. But once you get into Crawfordsville, into the city, it's about a minute. And then once you get towards Newmarket, why, it's more than a minute and a half. Now, Lebanon, it's 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Once you get to Kirkland, it's more than 2 minutes. Michigantown, it's more than 1 minute. And Greentown, it's more than a minute and a half. So the farther south you go, the longer the duration of this totality. But you can see the area that will be completely obscured. The sun will be completely obscured south of Frankfort, right on the edge of Frankfort, right on the edge of Kokomo, pretty much cut in half, Rushville, and then points to the southeast. And also during the eclipse, a lot of interesting things will be visible. We're going to have Uranus, Jupiter, the Pons Brooks Comet, Mercury, Venus, Saturn, and Mars all lined up. This is south. We're looking overhead. We'll be all lined up in a plane along that eclipse. Now, certainly Venus and Jupiter will be the most visible, but you might be able to make out that comet as well as the other planets lined up as well. So some pretty interesting things, really cool things happening science-wise and astronomy-wise coming up here on Monday. All right, frosty areas of fog tonight, 27. 55 for the high tomorrow afternoon, 52 to 57 going to do it. Lots of sunshine during the day. 53 to 60 Sunday. Clouds up rapidly in the morning. It's going to be a windy day, a few showers, and then more in the way of showers, even a couple of thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening. A high of 56 on Sunday, 53 to 60 again from north to south over our viewing area. There is Futurecast, your clearing trend tonight. Your frosty one with some of that fog around. Then we get all the sunshine tomorrow, but look at the clouds rapidly coming in on Sunday and that southeast wind ramping up. One initial little wave of a few showers late morning to midday on Sunday, then a little bit of sunshine, and then scattering of showers, even a couple of embedded thunderstorms here Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening, and then that pulls away and we clear it out, but low clouds and fog may form Sunday night and Monday morning. Monday morning at 10 a.m. you might be thinking, oh no, it's gray. It's foggy, it's gray, or we're going to see the eclipse. But watch these low clouds kind of erode away, and during eclipse time, it's about 40% coverage of clouds. We're going to have cumulus clouds over the sky, but we're going to get enough dry air from Missouri and Kansas, again, to break the low clouds up, and we should be able to see that eclipse just fine. Still should be, again, a nice show. 70 on Monday, but remember during the eclipse, we may get up to about 70. Then during the eclipse, we may fall to about 55 to 60, and then we'll go back up to about 68 once it comes to an end. 66 on Tuesday, couple showers off and on Wednesday, Thursday with highs in the 60s, drier Friday. Then more rain comes back in, even a couple storms later next weekend.